Hey guys, I'm Joshua with PoolBots.com, and today we're taking a closer look at the Dolphin Premier Robotic Pool Cleaner. We're really excited about this model for many reasons. It's one of the most advanced, intelligent, and full-featured robotic pool cleaners on the market today. We'll walk you through all of its impressive features, including waterline cleaning, smart navigation, multimedia filtration, and lots more. The Premier costs about $1,100, so it's not a budget cleaner, but it has the power to do everything for you, picking up where lesser robots leave off. Let's take a look at what all comes with the Dolphin Premier. The unit itself is solid with a high-quality plastic body and holds up well in harsh pool conditions. Premier also has this buoyant handle that makes dropping it into the water and pulling it back out of the water really easy. It also feels sturdy, way more well-built than a lot of other pool cleaners. Included is a 60-foot cable with Dolphin's patented anti-tangle swivel so the cord won't tangle. We didn't see any tangles during 3 days of testing. One of the most sought-after features of the Premier is the multimedia filtration. Most pool robots come with one type of media. Premier offers 4 types. The Smart Control power supply is programmable, so you can schedule the Premier to run daily, 2 times weekly, or 3 times weekly. This is a must-have. Without it, you'll have to go out and turn your cleaner on and off manually, which makes no sense. And there's a handy indicator light that tells you where the filter media is full. No longer are you wondering if it's time to clean the robot. For all of its features, the Premier is surprisingly easy to get going. It's a true plug-and-play design, so it's ready to clean right out of the box. In terms of coverage, the Dolphin Premier is excellent. The Premier can reach the hard spots, all of them. The Premier is engineered differently from other Dolphin robots. The dual stabilizers offer exceptional waterline cleaning. This is such an important feature to have on a robotic pool cleaner, but so few offer it. The Premier, however, is the king of the tile line, which is where the most algae, bacteria, and biofilm accumulate. With consistent, excellent performance, the Premier takes a huge responsibility off of its pool owner. These hyper-grip tracks are key to maintaining traction on pool surfaces. With a traditional wheel, it will often slip on wet pool surfaces, but these rubber tracks cling to the wall surfaces like an underwater superhero. The Premier's powerful dual DC motors are another key to its coverage. Premier has larger motors than most other Dolphin robots. The extra power propels the Premier up coves, steps, even from the deepest part of the deep end all the way to the waterline. And they're about 90% more energy efficient than old school pool cleaners. Intelligence also plays a big part in the Premier's coverage. It has an onboard microprocessor that uses smart nav software to map the pool, then creates the most efficient cleaning route. And it doesn't waste time going over the same areas again and again. This combined with dual stabilizers gives the Premier precise control and positioning. It makes it possible to adhere to the vertical pool surface all the way up to the waterline and even slightly above the waterline. These hyperbrushes are made of durable rubber that have specifically designed bristles, completing about 1 rotation every second. That's a lot of scrubbing power. These are especially good for tough debris, like algae, bacteria, and biofilm. They can dislodge the grime that you've always had to scrub away by hand. With how mobile the Premier is, Dolphin designed it to vacuum while it moves forward and backward. So even as it descends down the wall or shimmies out of a tight corner, it's still vacuuming debris. The Premier does a great job at capturing the nitty-gritty, but it also makes pool visibly clean and clear because of its pleated microfiltration. With a high surface area, it can filter 75 gallons of water a minute. And our test pool was way more clear after just 1 cleaning cycle. This is a big statement, but we definitely think the Premier has the best filtration system on the market today. Why? Multimedia. It comes with 4 different kinds of filter media, so you can actually customize cleaning jobs. If you need a deep clean, use the pleated micro cartridge to get debris as small as 2 microns. Use the standard filter for everyday cleanings. Get out the leaf bag for all the large debris that may fall into your pool. Just look at what we were able to fit inside the oversized bag. And if you don't want to clean filters at all, just use the disposable debris bags. It's an unprecedented level of customizable filtration. As far as usability goes, the Premier does very well. The power supply is programmable. so it will start automatically every time you need the Premier to clean your pool. And the media light lets you know when the filter is full. Despite its power, the Premier is remarkably energy efficient. It requires only 180 watts, while traditional AC-powered cleaners use up to 1,800. To put that into perspective, the Premier costs about 5 cents an hour to operate. Dolphin sells a matching remote control and Caddy separately. The remote control is a nice option if you want to spot clean your pool or let the kids have some fun, but we wouldn't say it's a must-have. The Terra Caddy, on the other hand, is an extra purchase we recommend you make. It makes moving and storing your robot very easy. The Premier comes with the best warranty in the industry, 3 years. It's not prorated or limited to a number of cycles. If Premier doesn't perform as promised in that 3-year window, Maytronics will stand behind it. If you want to change your relationship with your pool for the better, we can't recommend the Dolphin Premier enough. As always, you can read real reviews and learn more about the Dolphin Premier and dozens of other robotic pool cleaners at PoolBots.com. Visit our website to find the best deals, tips, and tricks for pool ownership and special buys that'll help you enjoy your pool to its full potential.